Hello and welcome to the Haas Tip of the Day, where we cover the topics that every Haas machinist needs to know. My name is Mark, and I just finished my lathe setup early by using this simple machining trick. Now, we had to make a few dozen of these bushings quickly, but I didn't have the right size boring bar. What I did have was a good indexable drill. So, we drilled the part, and then, using the outer insert, we turned the ID contour, all with the same tool. Now, if we're going to use an indexable drill like a boring bar, we need to touch it off like a boring bar. In our case, we use the Haas automatic tool presetter and use a tip direction of 2. Now, we can save a lot of setup time by using an insert drill to both drill and chamfer. You can also save a lot of tool change time by getting rid of one of your boring bars. Talk with your tool supplier and see what insert drill they recommend that can drill, bore, and chamfer all with a single tool. Well, that's it. We were able to save both time and money by using a single tool to both drill and contour the ID of our parts. For more useful information and tips, be sure to check out the Haas DIY site at diy.haascnc.com and click on the link at the end of this video to subscribe. Thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.